Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about operating room. An advanced and modern operating room is very critical with great significance for the hospital. The level of the operating room is becoming a very important factor for the patient to choose your hospital or other hospital. The operating room is an integration with technology, modern equipment, management, and investment for your hospital. I'm Kai from Medical Surgical. We will show you a modern and modular operating room. Before we enter into the room, and we have to open the door, and this is an automatic door with sensor system. We just have to stretch the foot with this sensor area, and the door will be opened automatically with hands-free. And also it is with anti-entrapment system, so that normally the door will close automatically. But in case anybody standing here, so the door will stop with the entrapment system to avoid any accident. And now we are inside of this modular operating room. Generally, all the equipments are being placed here with the advanced surgical table, with the surgical lights, with the pendants, and this is an electrically operated pendant for the height adjustment. And also we have additional anesthesia pendants. Why we call this room modular? Because all the panels, all the structures are prefabricated in the factory with precise machine. All the panels are made of galvanized steel, which we can be used minimum 30 years. They with excellent features of antibacterial, flame retardant, excellent noise isolation. And for all the panels, we don't have any dead corner. All the corners are curved with smooth curve. And also in the corner, we have the ball shape. So it's very good for the hospital to do the cleaning, and it's very friendly for the air purification system. In this modular room, for all the panels, like for the gas panel, for the power panel, for the cabinet, everything is embedded. So it is with the same line with the wall, and even the refrigerator is also embedded. And also the X-ray is also with the same line with the panel. This operating room is not only modular but also intelligent. So everything can be controlled from this intelligent control panel. And we can monitor the operating time, and we also can monitor the anesthesia time separately. We can call the nurse station, and also we can control the air conditioning system from this panel. So we don't have to carry a hand remote in hand. And also the lighting system can be controlled here. And the gas modular is also here, so we can see the supplement for the different kind of the medical gas. And sometimes to release the patient's nervous, so we provided the music system as well. Now you can hear the music. The importance for the surgical lamp shape design is as important as its light index. For example, the color temperature, the lux, and other features. The good design shape of the lamp will benefit the air purification system. And from the top laminaire, the air is coming from the top laminaire, then it will be blowing down to the patient. And in the middle, we have the lamp. So the good shape of the surgical lamp, like flower type with space in the middle, so it can provide more efficiency for the clean air penetration. Then after the clean air goes through the patient, it will be absorbed to the lower parts for the air return vent. So how to get a modular and intelligent operating room for your hospital? Just send the CAD drawing. We don't need any decoration, just the bare shear structure to be ready, and then everything is manufactured in the factory and to be assembled in your hospital. So if you have any question, please contact us. Thanks for watching.